Okay. She's ready. G. Can you turn on the light behind her? You can't see her very well. Gigi. Well, go up there. Daddy will scoot you across the floor.
Reggie.
G, you gotta go up there. Turn on the overhead light in the bedroom. Yeah, that's better. She can't see her very well. Yeah, G. Gigi. He's the one that's got to roll you across the floor. G, you having fun? Oh, G, you weren't ready for that one. Get him, Gigi, get him. Get him, G, get him. Don't take that. Don't take that, Gigi. Chunks. You can hear the static.
Yeah.
G, is the floor kind of staticky? Funny. Whoa, Gigi. Get him, G, get him. Gigi, bite him. Gigi, draw blood. Come on, G. The Meowsapoo Warriors want you to draw blood. Whoops. I had my finger in front of the lens.
The whole time?
No, I don't think the whole time. I just got it in front. The whole time. Gigi, we probably gotta go let your brothers in. Giovanni.
Ow.
Gigi, you sound like you hate it. Just keep going back.
That's nice. She scratched our floor.
She's giving it the weathered look.
Are you done? You about sick? Apparently not.
Gigi, we gotta let your brothers in.
Yeah, she needs a lint roll bad.
I'll let the boys in. Gigi,
I
is that
think
it? Y'all done? She's coming back in, Dad.
She's dusty.
I'm sure she is. Gigi, thanks for cleaning the floor. Aw,